Advice. Okay, so on the one hand, if they want to, I again touched on it a bunch of times, if you want to play Jewish music, learn the old style. Klezmer, learn repertoire and nigunim, especially if you want to be a professional musician. It doesn't hurt. Even if you want to do the most original stuff, it still doesn't hurt to have a repertoire. Because you never know when someone's going to call you and say, my grandmother's 75th birthday is coming up and we need a klezmer accordion player or whatnot. And if you show up and start playing your avant-garde, jazz tribute to, I don't know, I'm starting to fade. Whatever. The idea is to know some common songs, even if it's not 500. If it's 25, know that you have some sort of repertoire. The other thing is basically keep on doing it. If you want to be a professional musician, it doesn't hurt to, you have to practice. I mean, you have to practice every single day. There's no, with the exception of Shabbos, of course, and holidays. But even 45 minutes is enough, even a half an hour. But you can't really, especially if you're a wind player or a brass player, you can't really go a day without practicing. The other thing is really, meet a lot of people. It's a business, so it doesn't hurt to, I hate the term network, I'm terrible at it, but it doesn't hurt to meet a lot of people and, to learn their songs, learn their repertoire, jam, to get together and play. And like I said earlier, the easiest way to make, if you have a new band that you want to form, the easiest way to make it happen is to book a gig and get friends together and say, we're playing this gig, it's in a month, let's get ready. That's it. And especially if you're younger, you have more time. As you get older and you have family commitments and financial commitments, it gets a lot more difficult. So if you're young, don't be lazy. If you're 19, 20, 21, 22, that's the time to practice, to learn your repertoire, to make connections with people, to record. You have a lot more time then.